today we are going from bald eyebrows to perfectly shaped eyebrows. Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. So today we are doing our eyebrows. We're going to go from bald eyebrows to perfectly shaped eyebrows. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright guys, so I know I said we are going to do this in a matter of minutes, which we are. But before we get started, you got to make sure your eyebrows are like pre-done or pre-shaped or whatever. I know you cannot see my eyebrows at all, but that's cool. I can see my eyebrows. And what you want to do is you want to look very closely in a mirror and you want to just pick out the shape that you like. Go on Pinterest, go on Google, go on whatever internet sites you want to do and kind of pick out how you want your eyebrows shaped and pretty much go from there. You can either get them professionally done for the first time, and then once you have them done and you like the way they look, then you can go ahead and start carving out your own eyebrows. You don't need those people no more. You can do it yourself. And what I start with is this. I never leave home without it. It goes with me everywhere. This is the perfect, I think it was called the perfect eyebrow. Flawless brow, that's what it's called. Flawless brow. Y'all seen it. It's on an infomercial everywhere back in the day, but they don't really show it too much anymore. But perfect brows. And so I never leave home without it. So this is basically, it takes 2 AA batteries and it's going to shape your eyebrows. But the first thing before you use this, and I'll have this, all of this information and anything that I've used, I'll have it in my shop down below. And when I tell you guys this is inexpensive, it is inexpensive. I'm going to show you exactly what you need. I already showed you the perfect eyebrow. Then you're going to need some clean spoolies. This is what a spoolie looks like. This one is not clean. You get them from the dollar store. They come in a pack of 4 for like 50 cents. I have a clean spoolie right here that I'm going to use. It actually is an eyeliner pencil as well. So I'm using a dark brown eyeliner pencil. This one, this is the NYX. It's a dark brown too, but this is not really one of my favorites. I've used it. I don't know why. I don't think I like the way the color goes off. But these are very inexpensive. This is what I use. These are Sunny waterproof dark brown eyeliner pencils. They got them at every beauty supply. I'm using it in dark brown. And they come in black, red, light brown, whatever color you feel like you want your eyebrows to be. But I go with dark brown because that's basically the look that I'm going for. And basically, that's it. Oh no, I'm sorry. And then, so this is what I draw my eyebrows on with. And then I go in with the Revlon Color Stay Brow Kit. And this is inexpensive as well at the beauty supply. I think I paid maybe like $3.50 for it. And basically, you'll see I use the heck out of this. So it has a wax, which I never use. I don't really even know what it's for. I think that's for people who have a lot of eyebrows and they want it to stay in place. We don't have eyebrows, so we don't worry about stuff like that. And then this is the dark brown color that I use to go over after I trace in my eyebrows, as I will show you guys. I go over it with this, and it comes with a little brow brush that you put it on with, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a minute. And this is basically my routine every day. Sometimes I like, this is what I actually started with, the perfect brow, but they don't sell it at every beauty supply house. So I really like this as well because it comes with 2 different colors, and it comes with that wax, and it actually comes with a highlighter at the top. I like that too. So it's got the wax again. Once again, we don't use that. Then it comes with a kind of pink blush highlighter for your eyebrows if you're going out, if you want a more dramatic look. We're not using that today because this is our daily look that we're doing. Then it's the dark brown that I use, and then they have a light brown. And I like this one because it comes with the spoolie and it comes with the eyebrow brush. But once you use this spoolie on your eyebrows, you pretty much are going to just use it after you've colored in your eyebrows, because like I said, you can't use it before you start because you want the spoolie to be clean. Alright, let's get right into it. Now this is where it's not going to take hardly no time at all to do our eyebrows. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and brush our eyebrows up with what little I have, as you see. I know it looks like I don't have any, but I do have a little bit. So you want to brush it into the kind of shape that you want it to be in. Just like that, okay? And I am going to be using a mirror, guys, because I can't really see here, but I am going to keep it on camera. I'm not going to do it off camera like this. I'm going to use my little trusty dusty hand mirror, which needs to be cleaned. Yeah. Alright, and so now I am going to do this in my mirror over here. You want to do your eyebrows in the shape that you like. Some people just like a rounded shape. That's fine. Some people like a straight shape. That's fine as well. I like the I'm surprised look, which is like a what do you call that? Arch. What do you call bow and arrow arch? I like the bow and arrow arch. That's what I call my eyebrows. So I like mine to go up and down, up and down. That's what I like. So it's really kind of almost in that shape. So when I do my perfect brow, I pretty much just go in, and you see the, I don't know if you can see, you can't see those little hairs. Yes, you can. You do it in circular motion, and that'll get all of that off. And so we're gonna clean them up real good. Now, like I said, this is something I might do maybe once a month because my eyebrows don't grow that fast. So once a month, we'll clean them up. And I'm gonna do them in this mirror because I can see a little bit better. I'll come back when I finish my cleaning up. But this right here, we love this. We love this right here. Alright guys, so I'm all cleaned up. My eyebrows, I did my inner corners. If you can see, you can definitely tell when you do clean up your eyebrows, it makes you look like you have a little bit more eyebrows. So now you can see where I cleaned it up in here and there, and then I went over the tops. And then I did in the middle, and I did that with the flawless brow, perfect brow was what I call it. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my clean spoolie that doesn't have anything on it, and I am going to just take my eyebrows and kind of shape them the way I want them to go before we start filling them in. Just like that. And we are ready to get started. So we're going to take our eyeliner pencil in dark brown, and like I said, I just got this from a basic beauty supply, and I'm going to take my mirror that I will be using, and we're just going to get started. And basically all I'm going to do, pull it out a little bit. You want out about that much. Don't pull it out too much or the whole thing will fall out. So you want to start basically at your nose, the sides of the bridge of the nose. Perfect sides where your eyebrows actually start, are supposed to start, I should say, because mine don't start there. Mine start back far away, but we want to give it the illusion that it's starting right at that part of your bridge of your nose. So we're going to take our eyeliner pencil just like this, start right here at the bridge, and you're just basically going to trace up how you etched out your eyebrows. That's how you want to trace, just like that. And you don't want to do it too heavy unless you want really dark eyebrows. I don't, because I know I don't naturally have real dark eyebrows, so I don't want them real dark. And then you're going to go at the top where you trimmed it down. And I don't start at the bridge up there. Here now, I'll start a little bit before where my eye starts. So about right here. Yep. And then just trace out how you want it. And do not worry if it's not perfect, because you can go over it. And you want to just bring it down and connect it to the tail of your eyebrows, just like that. So now you have going ahead and drawn out your eyebrow. Now we're going to do the other side. Same thing. Take it where your bridge of your nose starts, and then you'll just trace out right there. I'm going to start right there. Do not worry if it's not perfect, because I never get my left side perfect, but I try. Just like that. Do not worry if it's not perfect. Mine is not perfect. It's a little bit darker, but we're gonna fix that. And then do the same thing. You started at the bridge and put a little bit more right there. Now start here. I'm gonna start right before my eye starts. Just like that. Bring it down and connect it to the tip. Just like that. So now we've started our outline of our eyebrows. Not perfect, but we're gonna fix it. So now you're gonna go ahead and take your eyebrow pencil, and now we're gonna just fill in where you have eyebrows. Just fill it in a little bit more. And we're not gonna start here because we want an ombre look. So I want this to be lighter. So I'm gonna start filling in my eyebrows a little bit like this. On an angle starting off, going up. Just like that. And just fill them in. Like little slash lines. Natural. Just like that. Now if you want a more wispy look, once we get done, you can, before we ombre it, you can kind of leave it like this. If you want a more wispy look, I want mine to be a little bit more filled in. So that's the look I'm going for, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side on an angle starting off, not all the way down here. Start back where your eye starts. So like I said, you're gonna start where your eye starts to fill it in. So I'm filling it in. Where my eye starts and going down to the tail, just like that. So this is the look before you do the ombre, what I'm gonna show you with how you do it with the spoolie. But if you want to stay light like this, that's fine, but I want to fill mine in a little bit more, and that's where the Revlon eyebrow kit comes in. So we're gonna go ahead, open that up, get our brush that came with it, blow it a little bit, and then I'm going to take the brush and just kind of like dust it, not on the side, well, a little bit on the sides, but mostly towards the ends. And this is if you just want a darker look. And now I'm just going to take it and darken it in a little bit, just like that. Just a little bit, not too much, just so people can see my eyebrows. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the other side. Use my mirror. Okay. And I know doing your left hand or right hand, if you don't use the right hand, it's tricky. It take a little bit of clean that up a little bit. Little bit of practice, but all right. So this is how we're looking. Oh, drop my mirror. I don't know. Okay, I don't know how much y'all got before my camera dropped, but I said this, and then my camera dropped on my mirror dropped, and the camera went off and all types of crap. So whatever. So now I'm taking my spoolie, and as you see, we're not done. We have our eyebrows looking crazy. So you're gonna take your spoolie. This is important. And now we're gonna start from where that angle is and just brush in the eyebrow. But you want that ombre effect. So you'll just take a little bit, because it's already got a little bit of the color on there, and just kind of brush up, as you see. And that's gonna give us that ombre effect, which is light to dark. And you can kind of go over it as you like. And then we're going to do the exact same thing with our other side. We're going to start just brushing like that. And then come out to that line in your nose. Come out and just brush it up. Just like that. And is it perfect? It's perfect for me. Right now, you could do a little bit more. You know, if you had a little bit more time, you can get it a little perfect. You can use your, what do you call those things? The things. You know, the things that you put on your eyes. What the fuck is that called? Excuse my language. Concealer. Concealer. You can use your concealer to make your eyebrows a little bit more perfect. But hey, for work, this is fine by me. I always get complimented on my eyebrows. People are always asking me how I do them. They can't believe I don't have eyebrows until I show them. And then they're like, damn, you really don't have eyebrows. So that's that look that I'm going for. And voila, I have eyebrows now. I went from not having any eyebrows to having any eyebrows. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright guys, love to see you in past, present, and future videos. Hope to see you soon. Bye.